Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix ad account not authorized to promote on Instagram. These days, a lot of people are going through this issue. By that, it does not allow you to promote on Instagram. It says your ad account is not authorized. So actually, this is sort of a glitch and they are working on to it. So for that reason, we have to just simply look for its solution. So first you just have to simply click onto your Instagram app, and once your app gets open you will be onto its homepage. Now on this page you will find a lot of different options. What we have to do is we have to go to the profile. So at the bottom we have five different options. You have to click onto this right one, which is the profile icon. And once we click onto this option we will go to the profile. And once you get there, on the top right you will see the three lines. Click onto these lines and then simply scroll down. As you're scrolling down you will notice different options like the business one where you can manage your promotion, but as we are not authorized so these options wouldn't help. So in that case we have to simply submit a request or a sort of help asking from the Instagram team. So for that you can click on this help option and click on this option which is support request. So for that case, maybe you have received any sort of violations. You have to first check for it. If there's any violation available there, you can just simply appeal it. Otherwise, you can click on to report a problem, or you can just simply shake your phone for the report. And once you get the report option, click onto it, and after that simply select the second option and simply explain your whole scenario, like what is going on with your account, what sort of help you need, what is happening. If anything you have done wrong, simply tell it there. If nothing, then you can just simply explain everything. Other than that, you can upload any sort of media file and you can also attach screenshots. And then after that the Instagram team will contact you. So that's how you can fix ad account not authorized to promote on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.